Hey, what's up, unboxing fans? Your buddy, your pal, and Hawthorne here with something that shipped all the way from Lexington, Kentucky to South Bend, Indiana, where I live. This is an Amazon Prime box. I'm not sponsored by Amazon, but I'd love to be, or any of the products herein, but I would love to be. So I'm in the middle of a weight loss journey. I try and make healthy, positive decisions, including healthy snacks like these Blue Diamond almonds. These are bold, sweet Thai chili. These look really good. I've been wanting to try them, so I do the subscribe and save. You get a couple every couple of weeks. Sugar-free Lifesavers hard candy. Now, unfortunately, with some sugar-free things, there's an additive in there that makes it you kind of have to use the restroom a lot really quick. So just be wary when you buy sugar-free stuff. I don't have that issue with Splenda, but most sugar-free candies have that issue. So just be a heads up. I grew up eating Lifesavers. Like, I love Lifesavers, but it's been a long time because I've been staying away from candy. But I found out about sugar-free Lifesavers, and I said, why not? YOLO. This is not a snack. This is not edible, but this is Decorum Reboot Mint Beard Oil. This stuff is great. This is what's keeping this luscious going. So I highly recommend this one. Do you have a beard oil that you like? Do you have a sugar-free candy you like? Let me know in the comments below. Last but not least, this is a new to me beef jerky from Jack's Links. Jack's Links is like the best jerky out there, isn't it? If you have a jerky that you like more, leave a comment below. But if you love Jack's Links, what's your favorite? Jack's Links, I would love for you to sponsor me. Decorum Beard Oil, sponsor me. So we got this Wild Heat beef jerky, slow cooked and hardwood smoked, extra hot. So I try and make healthy decisions, low carb, low sugar. This is when the movie theater opens. I'm not gonna lie. When it opens, I'm gonna get me some popcorn, I'm gonna get me some hot dogs, maybe some nachos. I'm gonna go ham. I'm gonna go all out. But once I get back to normal, I'm doing the low carb. Like, I'm gonna sneak in this bag of jerky. That's what I'm gonna do. I love jerky. It's a great snack for movies, on a road trip. Make healthy decisions. That's what I find myself doing. Is when you're prepared and you have some jerky on a car ride, you're not gonna want to stop. You're not gonna be as tempted at like a fast food restaurant or something like that. So let me know in the comments below what you think. Have you ever tried any of these products? Decorum Beard Oil, any Jack's Links product, Wild Heat beef jerky. What do you think? And I got a whole case of sugar-free Lifesavers hard candy. Leave a comment below. I'm not interested actually in the macros in this. So 5 servings per container. There's 4. So in 4 of these, there's 30 calories and 14 carbs. That's more carbs than I thought. But YOLO, right? Thanks a lot for watching. I wish you the best, and let me know what you think of these products in the comments below. Cash at me at London Hawthorne if you'd like. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great one.